What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. This is going to be a quick review on the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. I love them. They're awesome. I know there are mixed reviews out there, but I have enjoyed these over the past month and a half that I've had them, and they really are a game changer. They make a lot of things easier, and I'll just get into all the reasons why I love the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. So first off is the advanced AI. I don't use it a whole lot, but if I have a question that I would have typically gone to Google about, right? Like open up my phone or go to a website and search my question. That's 2-3 minutes maybe, to figure out the answer. Now all I have to do is say, hey Meta, how many feet are in a mile? (5,280 feet in a mile. So just like that, I can get answers to what could be complex questions that I might not know off the top of my head. Second is they're comfortable. I got the large frame high bridge glasses. You can get them in various sizes, so it's not just a one size fits all type deal. There's 32 gigs of storage in these things. While the battery life is not phenomenal, you can probably get about 2 hours of battery life if you're listening to podcasts or books or that sort of thing. They recharge quickly, but they're not heavy, right? I don't want a big giant battery in these smart glasses because I don't want to carry that around on my face. So there's a balance there between too heavy and not enough battery, and I feel like they really hit the nail on the head, right? They are comfortable to wear. I don't feel like I'm wearing a computer on my face with a giant battery, but at the same time I get a few hours of continuous runtime and a whole bunch of different features. Third, another reason that I love these Meta smart glasses is for the media aspect of it. I'm an Amazon influencer. I create media. I love capturing images, videos, creating videos such as this one. And these glasses are just another tool in the toolbox for that, right? Like I've got a Sony, I've got GoPros, I've got 360 cameras, and it's fun to use all of those cameras and all of that equipment and add or combine that media together to create a unique video or something that has a unique point of view. And the Meta smart glasses play a role in that toolbox, right? Like all I have to do is hold this button once, and as you can see, the light is on, which means that it's recording, and just click it to turn it off. I can also tell Meta to video if my hands aren't free. So that flexibility is awesome. Now you press and hold for video, and then you just press and click for an image. Now, every time you use the video camera or the image camera, you're gonna get that flash of white light. And if you try to cover that up, like you're trying to sneak around and film people in public, they don't want you to do that, right? So if you try to cover up like this side of the lens here, you're going to get an error message. They want it to be transparent that you're recording and taking video or taking images. The design is I'm okay. I don't mind the Wayfarer format, and I feel like they chose the Wayfarer as kind of like the flagship for the Meta smart glasses because it's one of the most widely sold sunglass frames ever, right? It's just a popular style of sunglass frame. I don't mind it. I've got a few pairs of Wayfarers that I didn't really like a whole lot. I preferred, some other shades if I were wearing shades outdoors, that sort of thing. But having the built-in, functionality is great, and I don't mind wearing the Wayfarers to get that additional functionality that none of my shades or my glasses have. So the Wayfarers, totally cool. I do look forward to seeing them expand different styles of glasses into the future. So that is definitely cool. It's super easy to import photos and videos from your glasses to your cell phone. I do it all the time for when I'm doing Amazon videos or YouTube videos or social media videos or creating social media. Basically just record on the glasses. Then when I'm ready to get into my editing, go into my phone, go into the app, and then pick and choose which pieces of media I want to include in my video. I have not used the live streaming on this. I'm not really a huge live streamer. But I anticipate that if I ever get into something like that, having the live stream capabilities with these glasses is also a positive. And lastly, I got the ones with the transition lenses. Now, a quick explanation on the transition lenses. These are like environment sensitive. It's not like you go into the app and you get to like change the shade of the lens. That's not how these work. These are like your old school transition lenses where when you get outside and in the sun, that sun reacts with the glass and they darken. They don't darken as dark as some of my other shades that I wear. Like say if I were on a beach or something where there's a whole bunch of glare that hurts my eyes, I probably would prefer a heavier shade in those situations. But around the house, going inside, outside, you know, inside, outside, at downtown or that sort of thing, it's perfectly fine. You do get enough shade in the lenses to where it does block out the sun, and you almost don't really notice how much the lens changed until you take the glasses off and look at them. You're like, oh, it's pretty dark. But it's a great feature. I like the transition lenses. Again, I'm a web developer. I work from a computer all the time. I don't want something that's going to be shaded out 100% of the time, because I'm going to use these as almost UV blue blockers and wear them at my desk. But I also want to wear them and use them outside. So the transition lenses is kind of that happy medium of being able to do both. So thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for checking out my review of the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. I hope it's been informative. Y'all take care.